This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wayne. Welcome to this beautiful one-floor living brick ranch in sought-after neighborhood of Framingham. This updated home offers open floor plan, a formal living room, a formal dining room, a wood-burning fireplace, family den out to the finished four-season sunroom, new deck 2021, spacious bedrooms with double-door closets, new bathrooms, new flooring, new carpet, freshly paint, two-car garage, roof placement 2014, HVAC systems 2019, driveway and so much more. Spacious backyard backs to the walking trail, easy access to the community pool, tennis court and playground. The property is located near shopping, dining, entertainment, bases, and interstates. Don't wait, call today. For more information, review the details below.